Hello, 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 everybody. Hello, hello. How is everyone? Mama. Today, we are continuing the game jam. I've been working off stream. I've been working off stream as well. Yeah, I stretch. Right. Where's my music? No, it's playing. It's playing. All right, cool. But yes, I've been working off stream as well. So one of the first things that I did was I made some assets. So here is our jam. I can now draw assets. I might replace the knife just so that they're the same style. But yeah. What am I looking at? What am I looking for? This one. No, this one. Now I am trying to figure out how to create instances. So I have this tutorial here that's supposed to tell me how to create instances. And we got ads in a bit, but yeah. Game jam grind. So I have this thing. I found out how to make the variables in the inspector itself. So the level is now here, and I can set this per instance of item spawns. And yeah. Good shit. One moment. You know what? I'll do it during ads. I will do it during ads, in which case, now I can check the level of the instance itself. Hi Mochi! Welcome in, welcome in! How you doing today, Mochi? It's been a while. I missed you. But yes, for level 1, we got ads. We wait for ads. Welcome back from ads. Currently trying to get the code for loading instances. There you go. Bread, jam, prefabs, bread. I'm doing well, just been busy with installing my gas stove and dealing with my cats who want to play. Who can jump into the paint bucket first? No! Yeah, I would recommend trying to get your cats in a different room when you're doing painting, especially just because of the fumes and shit. But yeah, I am doing good. I actually woke up really early today, and then I ran into some friends. So I hung out with them, did some of the game jam work. And yeah. Been doing good. So right now we're just trying to so basically what I've done here is that I have a level, and not every level is gonna have the same items. So for each level, we're gonna instantiate the items and then put them into this thing. And that's where we'll pull our... And that's where... Oh, Jesus Christ. That scared the shit out of me. Who was that? Hi, Ice Wolf. Welcome in, welcome in. But yes, we take these instances and we put them into the array, and that is where we'll pull our instances, the ones that we're spawning. Packed. Can I concatenate? Ah, I can. Bread. Nice. Bread and jam. Kinda sleepy though. Today's gonna be a bit of a short stream, unfortunately though, because I have to leave the house later today. Have to go. Have to go out, visit someone in the hospital, and then I have a dinner later today. It's gonna be fun. What did I want to do? Now that I have the instances in, oh, is there a way to get all children? All children from a node. Get children. Okay. Let's make another function. Or we'll do that later. Mm. These are our spawn points. And then for child, nope, in self, no, this dot get children. Yes. Is that allowed? I forgot how to make a for each loop in C#. It should be in, right? Oh, I need a type. I forgot. For each. Yes. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've done C#, so I'm a bit rusty. And I've also got another coding language on the brain. Yeah, it's messing with my thought processes. If child as marker 2D. How do I test this? If I can convert it? One sec, chat. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Almost sent you guys to the wrong scene. But hello, hello. Alright. Godot if can convert. I don't know if that. Test if a conversion happened. For the specific example, attempting to convert will result in a 0. How about a cast? I guess the easy cop-out would be a try-catch. Try. Spawn points dot append child as marker 2D. Is there a way to like just throw it out? It's declared, but it's never used. Yeah, because I just want to throw it. Can I throw? Can I throw E? No. I guess it doesn't matter. And then I want to spawn them on these points. Okay. So I'm thinking in the other language. Oopsie. Spawn item. Spawn item. And then I want to get a random point. How to get a random number again. Random? System.random. Okay. So, index is random What's this? Godot random number generator. What does it do? Ooh. Okay. So Randy? Is that it? An object reference is required for the non-static field. Okay. I have to go now and finish the installation. I know I wasn't here for long, but I'm extremely grateful to have met such a wonderful community and a fantastic streamer. I am honored to be able to watch your stream. Thank you for making my day better today. Bye bye, Mochi. Bye bye. Thank you for the kind words. Have good installation, I guess. Be safe, mama. Alright, one sec. Instance? Dot length? Is that what you're asking of me? What do you do? Yeah, it returns. It should return a number. Is it just this? No. Oh, I need I need an instance. Rand. Is that it? Is that what you want? Rand.randy? How do I set random range? Here you go. Randy range from 0 to instance.length -1. Cannot implicitly convert type. There you go. Alright. Now that we have... Here you go. Oops. Generate random item. Or not generate. Pull random item. And then I need pull random spawn point. So let's do item index spawn point index. Randy range 0 to spawn points dot length -1. Is this inclusive or exclusive? Inclusive. Okay. And then Godot instantiate. Get a packed scene and then instantiate. What is this add child? Oh, it adds a child to the thing, the item spawn. Okay, I understand. Inst of item index dot instantiate, and then inst dot position, or do I add child first? Inst dot position should be spawn points of spawn point index. Node does not contain a definition. Hmm. I have to convert this somehow. Can I convert it to a Node 2D? They are Node 2Ds. Possible cyclic? I don't think so. What was I doing? Oh, yeah. These are Node 2Ds, right? Yeah, Node 2D. Okay, cool. As Node 2D. Oh, my bad. Dot position. There you go. I don't like how it's giving me a thing. The question is, you know what? Let's just spawn one item. Oh. What's the issue? Cannot load C#. Oh my god, all my shit got removed? Okay, um, how do I detach it then? Clear. All my shit got removed because I put all the scripts in different folders. Load. Item spawns. Let's set this to 1. Play. It's not running. What's the issue? Index was outside of bounds? Hmm. After this, spawn points. Wrong button. 0? What does append do? Doesn't append add? Append the value to the end of sequence. Is it... Huh? A sequence of values, the value to append to the source. I have to pass it itself? No overload for append takes 2 arguments. But it says right here it takes 2 arguments. We got ads. I'll come back from ads. I should use a list instead. Can I use lists? Okay, apparently it just works. Usually you have to do a using up here. Oh, there it is. Collections generic. So we want a list marker 2D. New list marker 2D. And then it's dot add. Dot size. Parentheses. Eh? Dot count. Fuck. It's been so long. Okay, hopefully that's not mad. Nice! We spawned! We spawned the bread. Nice. Alright, cool. Cool. We can delete these print lines now. Oop. Okay, now that we've spawned a bread, we want them to scroll. So let's go to the bread. And let's add a script here. Item scroll. Shit, I didn't put it in the right folder. Clear. Item scroll. Open. Nice. Alright, cool. Let me reopen the editor so that it stops being mad. Nope, it's still mad. Right, and then let's take this and this. And then we want start pose to be equal to this dot position. Then we need this. Copy pasting is so fun. So we just need to change the start position, the end position, I mean. Which is start pose dot y, but at x 0 because it's going that way. It's going to the left. Oops. And then we want it to lerp. And then if this dot position dot x is equal or less than or equal to 0, then how do I get a node to destroy itself? Godot node destroy. Destroy an object. Queue free? Node.queueFree. Cool. So now let's go to the item spawns and set this to be bread. Sorry, 0. Ugh, I'll be right back. Sorry. Sorry. I am back. Alright. So think. Oh, that's right. My bad. Spawn item here. What? Confusion. What? Why is it suddenly not working? Maybe it is. Let's set the speed to 0. And see what happens. Maybe it's just going super fast. It's not. What? Clear. Okay. It's giving me jam. Me hella lot of jam. Hello? Okay, we got bread. We consistently got bread. One more time. Okay, we have bread. How come when I attach this script, bread disappears? No? gd dot print destroy item. Oh. It immediately destroys the item. Can I print this dot position? Zero, zero? Why? So if I don't destroy it, if I wait a bit, I think that'll work. I think it's because of the order. Yeah. Oh, wait, no. I think it's because of the order of the scripts loading. Yeah. So, because of the order, the bread loads first. Because it becomes a child of item spawns when it's spawned. Hmm. Yeah, see, look. Oh. It didn't go 0-0 first. Yeah, start position is always 0-0. Why? Why? Hmm. Hmm. Maybe if I... Hey, it's scrolling! And then it dies. Hey, we did it! It's too fast. So let us go a little slower. Yeah, that's slightly more in time with the background. Might have to change that background at some point. It's kind of annoying me. But hey, we got spawning. We got spawns. So now I can go into each of these and load up the item scroll. Alright, cool. So now if I go into item spawn and I remove this, give me jam. You're not gonna give me jam, are you? Nope. How do I make a timer? That's the thing. Godot timer. Godot timer. So if I go to item spawns, can add child node timer. Okay. Let's do Boolean. Is timer done? False. And then if is timer done, starts a new timer. Oh. I don't think I need this. Do I? Get node timer. Okay. Timer dot wait time. Let's get a random number generator. Maybe we should just put it up here actually. Rand F range. Sorry. Yeah. Wait time is equals rand.randf range let's say 0 to 2 seconds. How about that? Okay, I need an on timer timeout process. What's the format of that here? It's just private void. On timer timeout. Nope. Instead of making a new timer every time, let's just do timer new timer. Oh, the word timer is starting to look wrong. Oh my god, it's spelled right, but it looks wrong. Alright. Timer dot connect on timer timeout. String name callable. What is the string name? Timeout? We got ads. Welcome back from ads. Here's the funny part. The GD script uses more words than the C# script for the first time. Because in C#, you just plus equals it. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Sorry. Is timer done is false. Do I just start it? Yeah. And then is timer done is true. Spawn an item. Let's do a GD print here. And we'll just say spawn. Can I pop this out? No. Okay. Ugh. Nothing happened? Nothing happened, which probably means that this needs to be true. Let's try that again. There you go. Ayy. Ayy, we spawning. Look at them. Look at them. Okay, they're spawning a little too close together. So, let's do 1 to 2 seconds. Alright. Oh, it's giving me a bit of a headache with all the moving parts. It stutters. But we do got spawning. We do got spawning. I think what we have to do is put the moving shit at the top and bottom instead of in the middle where all the items are. In which case... I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. There you go. And then let's lower that. Except for you. Hmm. Let's lock that again. Hmm. Maybe I should just keep that as it is, but I'll change the scroller here. Is there a way to crop it? Hmm. Texture rect. Crop? No, it's not what I want. Okay. So maybe... Three? No. 25? No. 24. 23. What does that look like? Okay, what if I just duplicate this? Put the second one over there. Does that work? It's going fast. The second one's not really working. Getting some weird shit going on up here. Getting flashes of bread. Okay. How about I set the position first before adding it as a child? Okay. That works a lot better. Gonna have to change what this looks like stylistically, but so far looks okay. Okay. Now what we need is for each of these to have a collision shape. Nope. Nope. Yeah, let's get it as close to the image as possible. What are you mad about? Only serves to provide a collision shape. Please use it as a child of. Hmm. What are all these bugs? What? One moment. Before I change anything else. What? Hold on. It's both of them?
Bro, that's still gay. No.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
You're gay.
Lammy!
He's gay.
Welcome in, welcome in!
He's gay.
You've spawned cats. You're gay! Welcome in. You're gay. Alright. Let's do... But hi, welcome in. How you been? I'm just coding. Doing a big brain. Having a weird error. This fails. This fails for some reason? Unless it's this. Dot print instantiate. Instantiate item index. Huh? What do you mean some of these are not a Node 2D? Are you okay? Mamser. They're the same, though. They're the same, though. Instantiate 0, instantiate 1. Sometimes it doesn't work? Confusion. Confusion. Active confusion. Huh? It... I actually don't need this on the jam, so that's the sandwich. But they're both Node 2Ds, they're both jams. Why is it not working sometimes? What does this return? A node. Brain small. I don't understand. It's doing it sometimes, but not all the time? But that doesn't make any sense because it should instantiate the same object. Is there like a wait function? Maybe I need to wait? Wait for next frame. Await getTree.processFrame. GetTree.processFrame. Huh? Oh. To signal. Let's do another print line. Brain. Oh, hey! That was it! It was a race condition. Fuck. I fucking hate race conditions. But yes, it's fixed. It's fixed! No more buggy bug. No more buggy bug. Ah! What? What's the buggy bug? Spawn item, move next, object reference. Huh? Object reference not set to an instance of an object. What do you mean move next? Very confused. Let's try that again, I suppose. Oh, now I'm getting the error all the time. Why? Why? I told you to await. Do I do it twice? Skip 2 frames? I'm very confused. I'm very confused. I don't actually know why it's giving me a null ref sometimes. Process underscore frame. Hmm. C sharp. Oh, we got ads. We got ads. Welcome back from ads. I'm still very confused. Okay. No idea, honestly. I mean, it's not really an issue because it does spawn some items. I just don't understand why it's giving me a null ref sometimes. And when there's an error, it doesn't spawn the item. See, it's not doing it anymore. Whatever. I'll just research that later, I guess. I'll go ask some Godot friends. I'll go ask some Godot friends later. For now, what should I do? I want to add I guess a character body. And then a collision. And then a sprite. I believe it was 7 and 9. Yes. All right. Okay, and then let's fix this to the jam. And then let's go to player. What's poppin'? Hi, Water Dude. Welcome in, welcome in. How is progress? We have this. We have jam. And I can't touch it yet. But we have jam. I'm gonna get trapped in here. Bread. Bread. Oh! I saw a bad thing. I can do this. Can do a bad thing. Yeah, see? I can go in between the lines, and now my whole thing is offset. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. But, we're back. It's clicking lots. Okay, so next time we're gonna handle what happens when they collide. I gotta figure out if there's a way to get the collisions to like overlap instead. If item below or above frick off. No, we don't want that. We don't want that. We want the knife to go through the items instead of being stopped by them. So I have to figure out a way to have a collision shape, but have it be a trigger only instead of a physical barrier. But yeah. Actually, maybe I can stretch this a bit. Try to figure out how to do that. Oh, I know. Let me open my test project. Because I have spikes here. On area 2D entered. I can do that. I can make it an area 2D. EP. Oh, one-way collision. If true, only edges that face up relative. Okay. Chief BEP, indeed, indeed. Is there like a setting? I'm pretty sure there's a setting. That's not how you spell collision. Collision shapes 2D. Primitive collision shapes. Oh. Huh? Do I have to Google everything because your docs are like really badly organized? Collisions as trigger. Make a trigger like Unity. Okay, so it has to be an area node. Is it because it's a character 2D? Okay, hold on. Let's go back. Come here. Thank you. Okay. We don't want that. Oh. Let's put that there. Let's make an area. Put the collision shape there. Delete this. Do the same thing here. Okay. Am I still being blocked? No, I'm not. Ah. I see. So an area. Okay. Yeah. This is good. This is good. And then what happens is that when I touch them, I should pick up the item. Right? So, let's go back to the player. Actually, no, let's put it in the item scroll. I don't want it in the item scroll. It's kind of like a weird organization, but also, item scroll is the script attached to each individual item. It's fine. It's fine. We'll just have to live with it. I don't like the fact that it's named item scroll and it's doing more than scrolling. But whatever. Oh, my back. Or, I make another script and add it to the Area 2D itself. Yeah, attach script. Okay. Item pickup. I keep doing it. I keep doing it. Detach. I keep doing this. I have to move that. I keep forgetting to move the shit into their proper folders. And then nice. Alright, cool. Every time I say cool, my Alexa thinks that I'm calling her. And it annoys me. Okay. What I need is... Let's close this. Let's remove the editor real quick because it does a weird thing where if I add a connection, here, it doesn't update the script. Here you go, body entered. Connect. Connect to yourself. There, see? Now it has the thing. And then let's go back to the editor settings, turn this on. Close all. Open this. Bam. Alright. Now it's here. See? On body entered. If body is player, what's the best way to do this? Combining items. Hmm. Why combine when just delete the other item once collided? No, 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 no. The Here's our GDD. If the knife picks up the jam and then the bread, or two breads rather, it creates a sandwich. Does that make sense? So yes, I collide and then I can delete this item, but I have to track what items the player has picked up. Make sense? Yeah. In any case, I suppose I could just make this a public, unexported variable. Um, Item type. So I have an item type here, which I will set in the inspector itself. And then I just need like a map, I guess? How do I make a map? C# map. Oh. I can do a dictionary. C# doesn't have any built-in maps. The maps is the concept that provides the functionality to map a value with a key. Yeah, I think a dictionary makes sense. Yeah. Okay. A dictionary of two integers. Inventory. Right? And then I suppose it'll be easier to just have a function that's like add to inventory. And then item type. Sorry, I forgot. Integer item type. Haha, I have other languages on the brain. Inventory of item type plus equals 1. Yes. Yes. And then item pickup. Let's say player. Body as player. Small letter player. Player dot add to inventory item type. Yeah, I feel like the dictionary here makes sense because it's basically like a list, and the number of items is malleable. It's like it's not a set number. And then This dot Q free destroys the item. Need some way to tell me that there's an item added. Item type. New total. Let's put this at the bottom. New total. Inventory item type. Okay, let's put this here so I can actually see the logs. Put this here. So if I pick this up. Oh, nothing happened. Eh? Why? Sorry. Let me just item pickup. Load. And then connect to itself. Let's remove this GD print real quick. Let's do a GD print here. The thing is, I don't think that the body is being entered at all. Yeah, it's not outputting anything. Maybe it's because the connection? Disconnect. Connect this to the main dude? Maybe? No. I'm very confused. Well, in any case, I'm gonna have to leave this here just because I have to leave the house soon. So, let's figure out who to raid. Who shall we raid? Ah, yes. We shall raid Toke Tokebike. Tokebike. Alright. Thank you everybody for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow for more game jam. More game jam. And yeah. Alright. I love y'all so much. Bye bye.